This is Chapter 6, Quantum Mechanical Model of an Atom. Homework question number 2. What are the allowed values for each of the four quantum numbers, N, L, ML, and MS? Okay, so before we can work on those, it's a good idea to review what we learned in the class for the allowed values for quantum numbers. Principal quantum number N. So the allowed values can be any integer from 1 to infinity. L, that's a angular momentum quantum number that can be any integer from 0 to n minus 1. Let's say if n equals 2, then L can be 0 to just 1. All right? So because n equals 2, 2 minus 1 equals 1, just 0 and 1. Okay, ML values can be any integer from negative L to positive L. Of course, don't forget, you should include 0. Okay, so right between negative and positive values. Or another way is ML equals 0, plus minus 1, plus minus 2, until plus minus L. MS either negative 1/2 or positive 1/2. Okay, after reviewing those, should be very easy to complete those questions. Okay, so for this one, for N, okay, which one should that be? Any integer from 0 to infinity? No, it should be any integer from 1 to infinity. So therefore, it's this answer. Any integer from 1 to infinity. And then for L, we already learned L should be any integer from 0 to n minus 1. Any integer from n to minus 1. Okay, integer from 0 to n minus 1. So that should be the last one. All right? Okay, now let's take a look at the ML values. So we have 4 choices here as well. Okay, what should that be? It should be any integer from negative L to positive L. Of course, 0 should be included in between. Okay, so the last one, of course, we already know for the MS values. Let me just adjust this a little bit. Okay, for MS values, that should be either negative 0.1/2 or positive 1/2. Is that right? So therefore, that should be the first choice right there. Okay, that's question number 2.